Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous video we had discussed till question number 6 of exercise 9th A. Now in the continuation of this exercise, let's start with the question number 7. Question number 7 is what percent is? It means we need to find the percent. 25 of 60. So write 25 in numerator out of 60 and they are asking to convert into the percent, so multiply by 100 and put percent sign here. 0 to 0 cancel out, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 25 5s are 125 upon 3. This is an improper fraction. You can also write it as mixed fraction. How? By dividing 125 by 3. 3 4s are 12. 0. Copy down the next digit. 3 1s are 3. Subtract 2. So this can be written as, this was in percent. So this can be written as 41 whole. Numerator will be 2 upon 3 percent. This is your answer. Next part is 7.5 upon 150. They are asking to convert into the percentage, so multiply by 100 and put percent sign. This is in decimal, so remove decimal, put 1 in denominator. After decimal there was only one digit, so put 1 0. Now this 0 to 0 cancel out, this 0 to 0 cancel out. 15 5s are 75. Clear? So this is 5%. This is your answer. Next third part is 5 paise upon ₹5. And they are asking to convert into the percent. Percent में convert करना है. First of all, make the unit of paise and rupees same. How? This is in paise. And we know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So 5 rupees will be 5 multiply 100, 500 paise. Clear? Now convert into the percent after multiplying by 100. Paise to paise cancel out, 0 to 0 cancel out, 0 to 0 cancel out, 5 1s are 5. So we are getting 1%. This is your answer. Next fourth part, this is in mixed fraction. So first step is to convert it into the improper. So this is 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2 centimeter of 10 centimeter. Okay. So how we can write 5 upon 2 centimeter? 5 upon 2 means 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1. Put decimal here. 0. 2 5s are 10. Right. So 5 upon 2 can also be written as 2.5 centimeter of 10 centimeter. Now 2.5 centimeter in numerator, denominator is 10 centimeter. They are asking to convert into the percentage, so multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Centimeter to centimeter cancel out, remove decimal and put 1 in denominator. After decimal there was one digit, so put 1 0. This 0 to this 0 cancel out, 0 to 0 cancel out. So now you have 25%. This is your answer. Next part is sixth part, 40 seconds of 2 minute 40 seconds. So first of all, this is minute in seconds and this is in seconds. So convert this also in seconds. Seconds में convert कर देते हैं. We know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 2 minute will be equals to 2 multiply 60 seconds, right? That is 120 seconds, and 40 seconds are also there. So add these 40 seconds. Now it will become 0. 4 plus 2, 6, 1. So this is 160 seconds. So now the question is 40 seconds of 160 seconds. Now simply write 40 seconds in numerator, 160 seconds in denominator. To convert into the percentage, multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Now this second to second cancel out, 0 to 0 cancel out, 4 tens are 40, 4 fours are 16, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So here we are getting 5 multiply 5%. It means 25%. This is your answer. Next question, question number 8. Find the number whose 14% is 28. So let, मान लेते हैं वो नंबर क्या है, let the number be x. मान लेते हैं नंबर क्या है, x है. Then they said उस नंबर का how much percent? 14%. 14% of x is equals to 28. उन्होंने given है ना 14% of this number is equals to 28. So solve it. 14% means 14 upon 100. Of means multiply. X is equals to 28. Here we want to find the value of x. So keep it along to the left. This 100 was in denominator. That means in division. Now this will be in multiplication. And 14 will be in division. 14 twos are 28. So the value of x is 2 multiply 100. This is 200. This is your answer. Next, second part. Again, find the number whose 16 whole 2 upon 3% is 3. Okay. So let the number be, मान लेते हैं नंबर क्या है, x. Now 16 whole 2 upon 3% of x is 3. They have given in the question. Now this is a mixed fraction. So first of all you have to convert it into the improper. 16 threes are 48. 48 plus 2, 50. So this is 50 upon 3% of means multiply x is equals to 3. 15 upon 3% means when you will remove percent sign, percent means out of 100. So 100 will be in denominator. Multiply x is equals to 3. Now 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 100. So this is 1 upon 3 twos are 6. X is equals to 3. You want to find the value of this x. So move this fraction to the another side. So x is equals to 3. 6 was in denominator, that means in division. After moving to the another side, this will be in multiplication and 1 will be in division, right? So 3 6 are 18 upon 1, or you can simply write 18. This is your answer. Next, question number 9. First part, what? This is what? What is the length whose 30% is 24 centimeter? So let the length be, मान लेते हैं length क्या है, x. Then they said whose 30%? It means 30% of what? किसका 30%? Length का 30% of x is 24. centimeter. Now simply solve it. 30% means 30 out of 100. Of means multiply. X is equals to 24 centimeter. You want to find the value of x, so keep it to the left. 24 centimeter, 100 was in denominator, that means in division. So now this will be in multiplication and 30 will be in denominator. 0 to 0 cancel out. 3 8s are 24. So here you are getting 8 centimeter multiplied 10, which is equals to 80 centimeter. This is your answer. Next part, second part is what is the volume? Volume find out करना है whose 16 whole 2/3% is this, right? So let the volume be मान लेते हैं वॉल्यूम क्या है x. Then whose 16 whole 2/3%? That means 16 whole 2/3% of the volume x is equals to 0.75 liters. Now this is in mixed. So first of all you will convert it into the improper. 16 3s are 48 plus 2 50. 50/3% of x is equals to 0.75 liters. 50/3% means out of 100. So when you will remove percent sign, there will be 100 in denominator. Of means multiply. X is equals to 0.75 liters. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 100. So this is 1/3 twos are 6. X multiply x is equals to 0.75 liters. You are finding the value of x, so move this 1/6 to the another side. After moving to the another side, the value which was in division will be in multiplication and the value which was in multiplication will be in division. So multiply 75 by 6. जब आप 75 को 6 से multiply करेंगे, you will get 450. But there were 2 decimal places, so put decimal before 2 digit here, right? So this is equals to 4.50 liters. Denominator was 1, so no need to mention denominator here. So this is your answer, 4.50 liter, or you can write 4.5 liters. आप इसको 4.5 लीटर भी लिख सकते हैं. Clear? Next, question number 10. What is the percent change? Percent change का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? Change in percent, change in percent, this is in percent is equals to increase or decrease upon original value. You can say original value or original amount. Okay, I am writing here original value. So they are asking percent change. So what is increase or decrease here? क्या हो रहा है? 25 से 45 हो गया. So this is increasing, बढ़ रही है value. How much increasing? Increasing कैसे हो रही है? 45 में से अगर आप 25 subtract कर देंगे, you will get increase and the original value is 25. क्योंकि 25 थी ना, then increase के बाद 45 हुई है. And for changing into percent, multiply by 100, right? So this is the change in percent. Now 45 minus 25 is 20/25. Multiply 100. 25 fours are 100. 24s are 80. So change in percent is 80%. Answer will be 80%. Next, 200 is decreased to this. अब क्या हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है. सो चेंज इन परसेंट is equals to increase or decrease in numerator, but here we have decreased, clearly लिखा है, so we will write here decrease upon actual value, ACTUAL, actual value multiply by 100. So what is decrease here, 200 से 190 हो गया, so difference is 200 minus 190. Actual value is 200 multiply 100. This is 200 minus 190 is 10 upon 200 multiply by 100. 0 to 0 cancel out, 2 5s are 10. So this is 5. So the answer is, change in percent is 5%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज इंक्रीज करना है ₹80 बाय 5%. तो पहले हम देख लेते हैं 5% ऑफ 80 होता क्या है. इट मीन्स वी विल फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ इंक्रीज. अमाउंट ऑफ इंक्रीज they have given 5% of ₹80. 5% means 5 out of 100 multiply ₹80. 0 to 0 cancel out, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So the amount of increase is 4 1s are 4 rupees. Clear? Now this amount is increasing, but they are asking कि increased amount find out करना है. So increased amount is, so the increased amount is original amount 80, जो पहले से amount है 80, उसमें increase हो रहा है ना, it means value add हो रही है. So plus कर देंगे the amount of increase 4. So the answer is ₹84. Next part, increase ₹120 by this percent. So first of all, find the amount of increase. Amount of increase is 33 whole 1/3% of ₹120. So first of all, solve it. Change it into the improper. 3 multiplied 33 is 99. 99 plus 1 is 100. So this will be 100/3% of 120. Now 100/3% means 100/3 out of 100. When you will remove percent sign, there will be 100 in denominator. Multiply by 120 rupees. Zeros to zeros cancel out. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 0. So here you are getting ₹40. So increased amount will be original money 120 rupees plus amount of increase ₹40. So this is equals to ₹160. This is your answer. Next, fourth part is increase 44 by 2.5%. Right? So first of all, find the value of increase. Is equals to how much? 2.5% of 44. Clear? So this is 2.5% means 2.5 upon 100 of means multiply 44. This is 44. Remove decimal, put 10 in denominator. 25 4s are 100. 4 11s are 44, so this is 11 upon 10, and in decimals you can write it as 1.1. Now the increased number will be original number 44 plus the value of increase 1.1, so this is 45.1. This is your answer. Next, similar as question number 11. In question number 11 there was increase, so we were adding, but now this is decrease, so we will subtract. The only difference is there that in case of decrease you will subtract the amount of decrease. Okay, so here decrease now, so first of all find value of decrease. कितनी हो जाएगी 25%, इट मीन्स 25 upon 100 of 400. Zeros to zeros cancel out, 25 4s are 100 now, so value decreasing is 100, so decreased number or decreased value will be from original value subtract the value which is being decreased, so this is 300, which is your answer. Next part, again first of all find the amount of decrease or the value of decrease. Value of decrease कितना डिक्रीज हो रहा है 33 whole 1/3% of 150. 33 multiply 3, 99 plus 1, 100/3% of 150. 100/3% means 100/3 out of 100. When you will remove percent sign, 100 will be in denominator of means multiply 150. 100 to 100 cancel out. 3 5s are 15, 0. So here you are getting 50. So now the decreased value DECREASED decreased value will be out of 150 subtract 50, so this becomes 100. This is your answer. Next, again find for decreased amount or the decreased value. First of all find amount of decrease, or you can say value of decrease, right? 12.5% of 500, so 12.5% means 12.5 upon 100 of means multiply 500. Remove decimal, put 10 in denominator. Zeros to zeros cancel out. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So this is 125/2. When you will divide it, you will get 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 62.5. Now you want to find the decreased amount DECREASED decreased amount, or you can say decreased value, decreased number. So from original one decrease के लिए क्या करेंगे subtract 62.5. You know how to subtract decimal numbers. 500.0 62.5 10 minus 5 5 9 minus 2 7 9 minus 6 3 and this is 4. So you are getting 437.5. This is your answer. So students, today we have discussed from question number 7 to question number 12. With this question, your exercise 9th A is completed. In next class, we will start the next exercise. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.